Well, hello you guys, hello. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am trying Wingstop. I'm kind of excited to try it because we don't have a Wingstop where I'm from in Canada. So this is, I believe, a US chain, and I am here. Finally found some parking. It's actually lightly raining, but that's okay, I don't mind. And there it is. Wingstop. Alright you guys, I finally got my order. The whole thing took about, I'm a little sweaty because it's warm and I was standing in line. Well, hey, if that gets you exercise. Like dangling a carrot. No, I went and chugged a Coke Zero, got another Coke Zero. Fountain with ice, my favorite. And here it is. Trying Wingstop. Alright, so what I ended up getting, it comes with one complimentary dip. So I got ranch. Their ranch is supposed to be life-changing, but okay, we have the spicy Korean barbecue. We're going to try that first. I think I got the strips. I can't remember. All right, here's the Korean barbecue strips. All right, here's the Korean barbecue strips with the ranch. Let's try. I have my AC blaring because I'm so hot. They're very saucy. This is going to be big. They're actually really good. Good chicken, nice and tender. The Korean barbecue sauce is not spicy to me. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it other than like Asian flavor. Let me try the ranch by itself. It's very mild, but very good. Very clean restaurant. Good service. Mango habanero regular wings. I'm just trying a couple of flavors. I don't want to overdo it. You know. We have a ranch for these. It smells mango-y. Alright, let's try this. This is the sauce. And the ranch. Those have, ooh, those are spicy. Very unique flavor. And like I said, they're very spicy. Well, my hijab got ranched. It's very messy. That's really good. Now we have a drumette kind because they were mostly flats. I love the flats more. I would say that I've had better chicken strips for sure. I've even had better ranch. I've had better chicken wings. They kind of taste like they've been reheated. No offense, I've had better wings. It's not bad. It's not bad. I say give it a try. I don't know, I'll save that strip I guess for whenever, but it's not gross. It's good food. I don't think it's really worth it, but I don't know, maybe I'd try the other flavors next time. There was garlic parmesan, but for now I just tried those two flavors I really wanted to try, and I really wanted to try the ranch. It's not bad. It's not very strong in flavor, which I was expecting, you know, a bit stronger, but it is one of the better ranches. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this food review. I hope you enjoyed.